What's going on? It's your boy Cartoon here with Cartoon Review. We review anything that a consumer could buy. So I just did this review on this dope keyboard from Pictek. It was $32, something like that. Really dope budget keyboard. So now what I want to do is I want to change the cap. And my daughter got her hands on it before I did, so she ripped it up and I don't know, she just did that. So I'm just gonna take these off and put these bad boys in. They're more visible, the light is gonna come out better, so I wanted to do that. I don't remember the price on these, but I'm gonna leave a link down below if y'all wanna get it. So I'm gonna do a little time lapse of me removing these keycaps. I hope you enjoy, and we're gonna see how the final product looks. And that cartoon in the beat. So I apologize for that. I couldn't see, so I had to turn on the light. So let's keep it going. Alright, so this is the final product. Oh man, this looks amazing. All the RGB looks great. The keys still feels the same. The hardest one was spacebar, the shift, the enter, and the backspace, just because they have extra clips that goes towards this end, not the middle, that you gotta kind of take off if it doesn't come off, and then put it back in the proper way. A little hard, but in general, everything was smooth. I'm in love with my new keyboard. Now with these new keycaps, look amazing. Easy to do. Any keyboard that you have, you should do it. Make it pop, make the colors, make it more visible for you. Definitely get it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button. There you go. Smash that like button. Subscribe down below to my channel. Leave comments. Let me know if you're gonna do it. Just whatever. Or say hi. Definitely dope. It's your boy Cartoon. Peace.